Welcome to the AudioVision's T2X training video. This video explains how to use the T2X remote control and AudioVision's user interface. The T2X remote control includes four main areas: a touchscreen display, four navigation buttons, a power off button, and finally, keypad control buttons. You can turn on the remote by pressing and holding the backlight and OK buttons simultaneously until the remote turns on. In addition, the remote can be turned on when placed in the docking station. The docking station is also used to charge the T2X battery. On the home screen, you'll find the name of the room that is being controlled, as well as four main navigation buttons. If you want to watch something, select the Watch button to open the video source selection screen. From here, you can select the source you'd like to watch. You can return to the home screen by selecting Home or the green button located on the remote. The green button will always take you back to the home screen, no matter what screen you're on. Like the Watch button, selecting the Listen button opens the audio source selection screen. From here, you can select the source you'd like to listen to. You can control your lights by selecting the Lights button. The More button is used to access the More screen. On the More screen, you can access controls for additional systems, like shades or drapes. From this screen, you can also access the audio and video settings screens. The external navigation buttons can be used to quickly jump from one system to another. For instance, if you're on the Apple TV screen, you can quickly and easily jump to the Lights screen by pressing the Lights button. After adjusting your lights, you can select the Back button to return to the previous screen. If you want to watch TV, select the Watch external navigation button or the Watch button on the home screen. From here, you can select the source you'd like to watch. The most common controls for any video or audio sources can be found on the remote itself. All other controls are located on the touchscreen display. In order to turn off your system, simply push the red Power Off button on the remote. This will open the confirmation Power Off screen, where you can select the Turn Off System button. If you want to listen to music, select the Listen external navigation button or the Listen button on the home screen. From here, you can select the source you'd like to listen to. In case there is more than 6 sources in your system, you will see 2 small dots at the bottom of the screen. Those small dots indicates that you can access more information by swiping your finger across the screen from right to left. In order to go back to the previous screen, swipe your finger from left to right. Your system may be configured to control more than one audio zone. If that's the case, the audio source screen may include multiple tabs to allow you to select the zone you'd like to control. If your remote controls more than one audio zone, pushing the red Power Off button opens a different Power Off screen. Here, you can turn off each zone separately. However, if you want to turn off all audio at once, simply select the All Off button instead. If you want to control lights, select the Lights External Navigation button or the Lights button on the home screen. After adjusting your lights, you can select the Back button to return to the previous screen. The shade control screen can be accessed from the More screen. You can access the More screen by selecting its External Navigation button or the More button on the home screen. Once you're on the More screen, select the Shades button. After adjusting your shades, you can select the Back button to return to the previous screen. The audio and video settings screens can be accessed from the More screen. Select the Audio Settings button to access the Audio Settings screen. In most cases, the Audio Settings screen will only include controls for surround modes. However, based on your equipment and system configuration, the Audio Settings screen may include additional controls. Select the Video Settings button to access the Video Settings screen. This screen includes advanced video controls based on your equipment and system configuration. For instance, you could turn off your TV display without turning off your whole system. This can be especially useful if you want to listen to a TV program but don't need to watch the screen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll enjoy your T2X remote control.